Hello once again, ladies and gentlemen, and thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for your support, and thanks for everything. Now, during my previous video I was talking about a ring which is now for the YouTubers. Now all the YouTubers out there, some have been asking me, can you demonstrate the ring, how it looks like. Now this is the ring which I've been advertising. Now it's already assembled because I was just ready to assemble, but all you do is to unscrew here, and then you can screw it up, and then it comes with a tighten, so it can go up and down, and then all you need to do is just plug into electricity, and then when you plug into electricity, then all you need to do is just to put it on, and when you put it on, it gives you that brightness when you're doing the videos. This is where you put your camera, and I've got another one which is on the way coming, and that one you can at the bottom here, so the camera is here, and at the bottom here is where you find the videos, the iPad, if you want to record on the iPad. Beside that, has got 3 controls. The first sequence, it's a little bit brighter, so it depends on the clothes you're wearing, and the other one is a little bit sunny, looks like sunny, or in the evening. If ladies are doing the makeup, then you have that one covered as well. And another one is a little bit depending on what you're wearing or what's the mood of what you want to. Now has got a control of the brightness. If you don't need very bright, then they can go as low as possible. If you want it brighter, then you can go brighter all the way. You can change the sequence, you can reduce the color, and then it gives you a good texture of your skin at the same time, respectively. If you want that, then you can reduce as well, or you can increase as well. Now this is the state-of-the-art latest ring, whereby you can connect into your phone or into your iPad. Basically, it's an indoor thing because normally in the house you don't have very bright lights. But what you do is when you're going out, is enough bright light to get enough sunshine, enough texture of your videos. Now, you can carry it around with you, and it has got a connection whereby you can just fold it and bring it over with you. But it's an easy thing to assemble. It's very easy. Now, my previous video I was talking about if you might have a look at it tomorrow, it will be released tomorrow. I was talking about exercises. So once you do exercises, you're keeping fit and you're keeping healthy. So I didn't record with this one because I was out in the park, but when you check on my next video, you will see that the park was nice and bright. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning Europe time, but it was nice and bright yesterday morning. So that's a good comparison, that when it's out there you don't need the ring, but when you're inside indoors you need the ring. So once the camera goes in, so you will be in between there, because your camera is over here, and at the bottom here is where you can put it. So if you want to buy the ring, you can check on the link below, because I'm in Amazon Associate, so I promote some of these good things because I'm using them, and I promote what I'm using. So if you'd like to have one, just feel free to check on my YouTube video and the link below, and then you can have one. So that's the link I was talking about. Now the other thing I wanted to talk about is what I've been using for my YouTube voice. Now I have this one, is called Boya. Boya is a Japanese or Chinese, call it. It has got a camera setup, whereby if you're using the camera, or if you want to use the smartphone, you can use the smartphone. All you need to do is just plug it in. It's very, very ideal for outdoor. All you need to do is to just plug it in there, on there, and then you can go out and you can go and record. It has got a very long cable, so you can connect it from a distance, and that will help you to get into where you're going. Now the other thing I wanted to talk about is the length of the cable. The cable is very far, is very long, so wherever you are recording from a distance, then you've got all this space, and then you can hang this one with you over there, and then you'll be ready to go if you are wearing a jacket or something like that. So that's how I record with a good voice. Now this one, if you check on the link below, you can be able to get one from the source where I source. I'll leave it on the description below. Meantime, those are the two things which I've been using for my YouTube channel. Now I would like to say thank you very much for your support, those who are subscribing and those who are supporting me on my channel. And I wish people could just give ideas and say whether the videos are okay, what we need to improve on, and we'll be very, very happy to do. Now the previous video and the video which is coming up tomorrow is a video I've been talking about exercise. Now when I go out, I'm a person who is very cautious with how I eat and what I eat. So the result of eating too well is having a good body when you go training and you have got a six-pack, and when you go out in the park you feel you're full of energy and you feel you're strong. Now when you see on my videos I'm wearing big clothes because I don't like clothes which tighten me, especially because I do martial art, so martial art I feel free just in case I want to fly and I want to do something. So what I do is when I go out in the park I wear trousers and trainers which I feel I'm comfortable, and this is because we are in a country whereby anything can happen. Our society is spoiled now, so you could go out and you're walking around and people want to attack you. What you do, you can be able to support, to defend yourself. So I do martial art for my self-defense. So on the previous video, I go to the gym. I don't train with this one because I just feel I want to cover myself. But this is the body I have when I'm going out there to train. So I'm tall, 6'1", and I train very well. I do martial art and I like running and I do stretching up. And I'm eating very well, and that is me. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel, and thank you much for subscribing, and I hope to see you in another video.